Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shagun and this is a part 4 of learning HTML5 basic series. We have covered the introduction, how to insert headings, how to create links, how to insert images, and today we will be talking about using images as an hypertext in HTML5. So I hope you've been enjoying the course so far. If there's any question, please don't hesitate to write the question in the comment section below. Let's write. Hello, welcome back. So our from the last series we talked about inserting image into the web browser, and if I could recap, you can see we have img, which is referred to as a void element, that it doesn't have a markup text. That means you don't put the text within the open and close tags, but you can have a forward slash or backward slash and to close the tag. And also it does have, though it doesn't have a closing tag, but it has an attribute. It has attributes. So we have the source attributes that points to the location of your image that you want to insert. And in this case, we have the image right in the same folder as the HTML5 file, so we can just call it directly. And it also has a width and height to size your image, and this value is in pixel. I mean, it puts px means pixel, but now you can just leave it out. The browser will recognize that it's pixel. Also, we have the alternative text that shows in case the image is not loading, then you have a text describing the image that's supposed to load. And today we're going to be talking about image as hyperlinks. You can create a graphical web page that links to other resources by using image as hyperlinks, and we're going to see how we can do that. Okay, let's roll. First, I'm going to create a new file. We'll save it as image link.html in the same folder. Boom. And I'm going to type out a basic structure now. So you just follow me if you're with me. Head, but now you should be remembering all of this. The title, don't forget the title is within the head, and image, no, we can close that, image as link, and or as hyperlink. Don't forget, for readability, you leave the space to keep your code clean. Okay, we're gonna use some of the elements or tag that we've discussed in the past. So we're gonna start with P. Don't forget, P is for paragraph, and we're gonna wrap all our images or link within this paragraph. And don't forget, when you're talking about link, we're talking about the A anchor. So the A anchor. Now, because we want to make an image a link, meaning we want to place our image within the A anchor, because whatever you put within the A anchor becomes a link. And in this, like we have a hypertext link, now we're going to have an hyperlink, images and hyperlink. So we are going to say ing, open the slash. Now I've prepared some image that I would like us to use, so let's go dig them out. So src equal to source, and if I open the folder, so we have a folder here. I have images folder, and inside the images folder I have 1, 2, 3, 4 images. So we're gonna go into image folder, and like that, it says my immediate directory. It's called images / and in the folder we have form link list table. So we just say we want the form, or let's say we want the link dot png. So we have images link png. So we're gonna take a look at what we've created, but in the meantime, where do you want the image to go? We want the image href. We want it to go to a link page. We want it to go to a link page, which we do have in our HTML file. We have a link.html. So here we're gonna say link.html. So when I click on this image, I want it to take me to link.html page. So let's open the browser. Don't forget the command that we learned last series. Open image. That's where we are. Image link.html. Boom. Oh, sorry, we're not in the right directory, so we're gonna just go into the right directory now. cd means change directory to desktop, and cd into html tips. Now we're in the same directory by using ls to check. Yes, we do. And now we can say open image link.html. Boom. That's it. And you can see we have link. And if I click on link, if you move your mouse away from link image, you can see the mouse pointer, but if I move the mouse on top of it, it becomes a link. Now if I click on this link, if I click on this graphical representation of a link, it should take me to where I want to go. Voila! And here we are in the link page. And if you go back, come back, and that's how to make an image as an hyperlink. Let's add more images. So we've wrapped our link in the paragraph. So let's see what happens if I put more links in the same paragraph. Alright, we're gonna do I like to do close it, and then do my href, and this time around let's go to form.html and image source. Where is it coming from? It's coming from images folder, and it's called form.png. And we can add more. Don't forget, I'm putting space for readability. It doesn't matter, you can squash them together, but it's just that it's not going to be easier for you to understand even what you typed. But when you space them out like that, then you can read it and understand, and you give them some the indent. You can see whatever is wrapped has an indent, one tab indent into it. So the paragraph has a tab indent, and because I'm wrapping the a link in the paragraph, then it also has indent. Now because you have a multiple of that, then they will be on the same indentation, but space between them for readability. So let's see. I think I do have what other image do we have? We have list, so let's go list.html and here href. We want list.png. We almost got that wrong, and this will be list.html. That list is also inside images. Okay, one more, the last one, href, and we have table.html, and in the image img src. This will be from the images folder and is table.png. Alright, let's take a look at what we've created in the browser. Move that down, you see the whole text. Okay, save that and use our command again. Open imagelink.html. Boom, voila. Here's all of this. We have all our pages. Now, because we don't have, if I click on the link, we do have it, it does exist. But because we don't have the form, the list, and the table page yet. So if I click on them, it fails. It looks for it, it says, oh, your file was not found. Now, if I click on list, your file wasn't found, and table, file not found. Okay, before we go to, we want to make the image form link, we want to make it a bit smaller. So this is where we now come back to our image and say we want the width to be 50 and you can decide to size the width, because if you're using a square object, if you reduce the width without reducing the height, it will automatically adjust the height to meet what the width is saying. So let's try and see what we have here. Image, I'm going to copy and paste that. I'm going to type it out because I don't advise you copy and pasting. 50 pixels. It's better to type it out, that way you remember a lot. And refresh. Wow, it's smaller, it's neater, and I like it. I hope you do. Okay, and if you put a height, it will make no difference. Now if you put height 50, let's open right. Yeah, it's the same height. So because it's square, so we don't really need to put a height. And let us create the form, the list, and the table page. And this time we have to copy and paste because of time. So create new file and save this file as table.html and paste this, change the title to table, and this is table page. And the last one is form.html. We create a new file, save that as form.html, save that, paste, and change this to form, and change this to form page. And now if I close all of them, oh, we didn't save that, save, and we come back to and then open. It's already opened. Now if I click on table, we have table page. If I click on list, we have list page. Click on form page, and links page, using image as an hyperlink. I hope you've learned that, I hope you understand it, and if you have any question, please don't forget to drop it in the comment section below, and I will get back to you. And if you have any suggestion, if you want me to talk about another topic, you can always suggest it down there. But we're rocking right now with HTML5.